Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more tech reviews and insights. Here's a comprehensive review of Koodo Internet, covering everything from their offerings and target audience to my personal experience. This information will empower you to make an informed decision about whether Koodo is the right internet provider for you. Links to Koodo's plans and services are available in the description below for your convenience. Koodo, a prominent mobile provider in Canada, also offers home internet services in select regions as a subsidiary of TELUS. By leveraging TELUS's robust infrastructure, Koodo provides reliable high-speed internet connectivity. Their plans prioritize simplicity and affordability, featuring straightforward setup processes and no annual contracts. This makes Koodo an excellent option for budget-conscious consumers and those who value service flexibility. Koodo's internet plans primarily target households requiring basic to moderate bandwidth. The speeds offered cater to everyday online activities such as web browsing, video streaming, and remote work. A significant advantage is their unlimited data plans, eliminating concerns about overage charges. This is particularly appealing to families or individuals who frequently use streaming services or engage in online gaming. One of Koodo's key strengths is transparent pricing. Their plans often include promotional offers and discounts, especially for existing Koodo mobile customers. This makes their internet service even more attractive to those already within the Koodo mobile ecosystem. Furthermore, installation is designed to be quick and user-friendly, typically involving a simple self-install kit, saving you the wait for a technician. My personal experience with Koodo's internet service has been positive. It proved reliable for everyday needs, including streaming HD videos and browsing on multiple devices concurrently without noticeable lag or interruptions. Customer support was readily accessible and helpful, mirroring the quality of service Koodo is known for in its mobile offerings. However, it's important to note that Koodo's internet service has limited availability, currently focusing on specific regions within Canada. Their speed options may not satisfy the demands of heavy internet users or those requiring gigabit speeds for extensive online activities. In conclusion, Koodo Internet is a solid choice for light to moderate users, particularly those already utilizing Koodo mobile services. It offers reliability, affordability, and the added flexibility of no contracts. Be sure to check the description for links to their plans and feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.